Okay, 18C, sketching a tangent graph. Well, what are we going to do? Let's do what we always do. Let's determine what the period of this function is. Tangent, remember, tan and cotan are a little different than the other four. Tan and cotan have a period of a length pi. So we take that period of pi and we divide it by the coefficient on x, which is 4. And so we get a period of pi over 4. So if I cut that in half, half of my period should be pi over 8. Now normally, when I'm sketching these trig functions, I typically would break it into 4 sections. But that's because sine, cosine, and their reciprocals take 4 quadrants of the unit circle to go for one full period. Whereas tangent only takes 2, so we're only going to split it up into 2 pieces. So, what does tangent start with? Well, tangent starts with a 0. And then what I do is I go one full period to the right, which for us is just pi over 4 because there's no phase shift, and I plot another period because whatever feature I have there, got to have the same one period over. Halfway in between, I get an asymptote, so I sketch that in right there, and now I can just squiggle my graphs up. Tangent has to start positive, so I gotta start going up. And then, boom, boom, there is the other half. And that is my graph. That would be one period of it. I could continue this over if I wanted to and make that awkward little bit, or continue this down and make that awkward little bit right there. But the point is, we're done. What did that 2 do? Well, it stretched it a little bit. We can't really see what happened so much, but that's okay. I do know, I don't care if you know this or not. Well, you know, I care, but whatever. I do know that that point right there, at pi over 16, has to be 2, and I challenge you to figure out why that is.